Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be heading down to a local meet actually here in Elk Grove. It's gonna be a Norcal Bangers meet, and it approximately starts in about 15 minutes or so. I'm about to get my Genesis warmed up, and we're gonna head out to the meet. I'll catch you guys there. The cameras. Dang, got the Mach 1 boy on the drag pack. Hold on. Hold up.
How much y'all put into it? How are you? 11. Alright. That's amazing. Shit, look at all this.
Dang, boys on. This interior goes crazy. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. Bro, this is probably one of the cleanest Lexuses I've seen. Boy, that boy knows what is good. Oh, we got the Miata. Yeah, Miata gang. Ain't no way. Is that the boy in Memphis? Is that the boy in Memphis? Hey yo, made it in the vlog, bro. Fucking side exit, bro. Hey. Oh, did he die? Yeah. Somebody killed the bee? Bro, just casually 2 steps and dips. Land Cruiser. What's he doing? Imagine just launching into a car. Other shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, you got that? Oh shit. Now you gotta hit all. I know. Oh shit. Oh, he's going wide with it. I gotta walk with it. Don't touch it. There you go. Oh shit. Made a whole donut pit.
Come on.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry if that was a short video, but that is about to be a wrap for the Norcal Bangers meet. We are officially out, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you guys later. Hold on, and we are back at the crib, and I forgot to tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.